In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and install the right MyMTN app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to get MyMTN app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store, then tap on it. From Play Store, go ahead and log in with your Google account or Gmail, and you should see a search option here. Tap on it to search your app by name. However, if you can't see this search bar, you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it and then just search MyMTN like this as one word, and then tap on the search icon. Here you can see we have various MyMTN apps such as MyMTN Nigeria, MyMTN Ghana, MyMTN Benin, Ivory Coast, and Cameroon. So for the official MyMTN app, go ahead and choose this MyMTN here, and you can see, to know that it's the right app, make sure it is from MTN. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.2 with over 93,000 reviews, and currently this app has over 10 million downloads. When you see this, you'll know that you have the right MyMTN app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will download the latest version of MyMTN app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can now proceed and open it from here, or now you can go to your apps and you should see MyMTN app is here. Now you can log in. From here, choose your country to start using your MTN app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.